Today, we're unboxing the WELLPOINT People Counter. Inside, you'll find everything for easy installation. The power adapter, the USB charging cable, 2 double-sided adhesive pads, and the People Counter itself with the wall-mounting bracket. The device is compact, clean, and designed to fit easily into professional indoor environments, such as retail stores, offices, public buildings, museums, and commercial spaces. The device connects to the cloud via mobile data. Getting started is simple. Mount the bracket, connect the power supply, and enjoy real-time people counting right away. Discover more at wellpoint.cloud.